for joining me today on 321 Preschool Fun. I am Miss Brittany, and today we are learning about primary and secondary colors. Now I'm so excited because we're going to do two fun science experiments. And before we can learn about secondary colors, we must learn about primary colors. There are three primary colors, and they're hidden inside of these jars. 1, 2, 3. Now, I'm going to need your help figuring out what colors are in each jar. So I have some baking soda and hidden colors, and this right here is some vinegar. I'm going to pour it on each mason jar, and you're going to help tell me what colors are in each jar. Let's figure it out. Whoa! That was fun. What color is this? That's right, this is red. This must be one of our primary colors. Let's do the next one. Oh my goodness. I heard someone say that is blue. So we have red and blue, two of our primary colors. Let's figure out what our third primary color is. Yellow. Oh, I love that one. That looks so pretty. So we have red, blue, and yellow as our primary colors. Would you guys like to see some more bubbles? I can do that for you. So all you do, you just pour some more vinegar on it. Red, whoa, blue, and yellow. Whoa, this is a lot of fun. All right, thank you for helping me find out those three colors because we're going to need to know them for our next experiment. Come on. All right, guys, thank you for joining me on our second experiment today. We are going to move on from our primary colors and talk about secondary colors, and we're going to do another science experiment to make that. So like I said, though, to make our secondary colors, we need to start with primary colors, right? So we have three of them. Can anyone tell me one of them? Yeah, the first one is red. So I'm going to make this water turn red. Wow. Let's mix it up. So our first primary color is red. Okay, our second primary color, blue, that's right. Turn this water blue. Wow, that's so cool. All right, mix, 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 mix. All right, so we have red, blue, and who can remember the last one? It's yellow. Great job. Red, blue, and yellow. It's like magic, isn't it? Science experiments are so much fun because they're like magic tricks and you get to learn so much while doing really fun things. All right, so we have red, blue, and yellow. 1, 2, 3 primary colors. 3. And we're going to make our 3 secondary colors. 1, 2, 3. Right now, it's just clear. There's nothing in them. So what I'm going to do is a little fun experiment to make new colors. We're going to use our little chart right here and see what new colors we can make using our red, blue, and yellow. And first we're going to start with red and yellow. And I'm going to let you close your eyes and think about what color you think red and yellow is going to make. All right, let's see if you're right. So I'm going to start with the red. Squeeze some water up into this. And I'm going to put it in here. Think I should get some more? I think so too. So red. All right, let's bring it here. All right, now let's get our yellow. I'm going to rinse this off. It's important to rinse in between so that we don't mess up what the colors are going to turn into. Okay, here's the yellow. So red plus yellow. Wow, red and yellow make orange. If your guess was orange, then you are correct. And if you didn't guess orange, that's still okay, because we're still learning this today, right? We're gonna mix it up. That is super duper cool. You see that? Orange. Wow. All right, this is so fun. So I'm gonna get my color chart and I'm gonna color this last circle in orange. Because red and yellow made orange. How cool. Next we're gonna use yellow and blue. So think about what color you think is going to be made from the colors yellow and blue. Okay, so we start with yellow. Wow, yellow. Bring it over here. All right, let's do it one last time. Yellow. All right, it's still yellow, so now we gotta add our blue. Oh my goodness, what color did yellow and blue turn into? That is right, it turned into green. If you guessed green, then you are correct. Look at how cool the green looks. Whoa, that's a pretty green. All right, so I'm going to color in on the color chart. Yellow and blue made green. One last one, blue and red. Let's find out what blue and red are going to make. Take a guess. Okay, so start with blue. Bring it over to the last one. Blue. Wow. All right, and red. Here it goes. Oh wow, that's a cool color. I think it's almost there. Looks like it's turning into my favorite color. It is. My favorite color is purple, and blue and red have made purple. Wow, look at this. It's almost like a bluish purple, which is indigo. Look at that. Very, very cool. I'm going to add that to the chart right here. Purple. Thank you for helping me. Now we know that red, blue, and yellow are our primary colors, and there are 3 primary colors. And our primary colors make 3 more colors, which are orange, green, and purple. And those colors are secondary colors. And that makes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 colors in total. I'm so glad you guys helped me today with our fun science experiment. If you really enjoy my videos, please go to my YouTube channel and subscribe at 321 Preschool Fun. And if you love doing this science experiment with me, please give me a thumbs up. And that way we can make many, many more videos to come. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.